Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your earbuds EARFUN Air Pro 4 with your Android device. You have to start by open settings and then go to the Bluetooth or connected devices. At the device list, click Pair New Device button at the top. Not all Android phones have it. Maybe you need to only enter to the Bluetooth, but I need to click on it. After that, open the charging case. If your earbuds do not connected with another devices, they will enter to pairing mode automatically. And you know it by the LED light, what blinking white right here in the charging case. And also we see them at the device list. But also you can enter to pairing mode manually. So inside the charging case we have connectional button, and you need to press and hold this connectional button for at least 3 seconds until the LED lights start blinking white, like what I have right now. And you will enter to pairing mode manually, and you will also see them at the device list. Now we need to tap at the earbuds and then click Pair. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!